In this video, we will show you how to reset Epson L3266 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. Before you download and use these resetter or adjustment programs, we suggest you to disable for a while your antivirus, including Windows Real-Time Protection and the Temper Protection if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. After you disable for a while your antivirus, then you can download this resetter, the link on comments. After you download the resetter file, just extract the file by right-clicking on the file and select Extract All. After that, you can click Extract button here. Then, open the resetter folder and run the adjustment programs. For the first time use, you need a password that you can see on these password.txt files. Okay, then you can running the adjustment program. After the resetter is running, you can just click Select button and select model to L3266 printer. Then click OK. After that, you can click particular adjustment mode button here and choose wash ink pad counter and click OK. Don't forget to tick main pad counter option, flatten pad counter option, and ink system pad counter options. After that, you can click check. Okay. After you click check button, then you can click initialize button. If the reset is successfully, you can just turn off your printer. After that, you can turn back on your printer again. You can also close the resetter programs. In any case you face error, you can moving your USB printer into another available port on your computers. And that's all tutorial how to reset Epson L3266 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below. Thanks for watching and hope this video helpful for you.